Hi folks, I'm Tech the Redneck. In this video I'll be showing you how to install RAM, how to install the power supply, and how to install a video card. Pretty simple stuff really. The first thing I'm going to install will be the RAM. These only fit in one way. You push the retaining clips, open the retaining clips, and get it to slide in, which sometimes is tricky and sometimes not. You don't want to force it. It's like anything else that we install or have installed so far. If you're forcing it, you're doing something wrong. So there's that. And once it's in there, you want to press on the corners. That's what these little indentions are made for. Press on the corners until it snaps in. 2 snaps. That's locked in. It's in there sturdy. Do the same thing for the other one. Two snaps. That's in there sturdy. Next thing we'll install will be the power supply we reviewed earlier. I'm going to leave all these cables bundled up for now. All the cables bundled up. Nice and neat. That way they're not in my way. Now this is pretty easy to install. You see the 2 shelves for it to sit on. You just slide it in where it goes. Slide it to the back of the case. And there's 4 screw holes on the back right here. And you install those 4 screws, and that's the final step in installing that. Like I said, we're going to leave all the cables out of the way for now. This is your video card. This video card is a PCI Express card, and this is the PCI Express slot on the motherboard. To install that, you've got to remove the factory covers, which don't fit. You remove both of those. And then all you do is slide your card in carefully, paying attention not to force it in like anything else we deal with. Slide it in and you should hear a small snap. There, it's securely installed. The last step in installing the video card is there is place for 2 screws to hold it into the case, and that will complete the install and basically complete the hardware install and the hardware build of this computer. The remaining steps, which I will not film and will not be a part of my series, are connecting the cables, the data cables to the motherboard and power cables from the power supply, and then installing the operating system and getting the thing up and running. This concludes the PC build for Tech the Redneck. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I had a lot of fun doing it. As always, stay tuned. There may be more videos on other subjects from Tech the Redneck, your friendly, not so expert technical advisor. Thanks, guys.